Hey believers, a very warm welcome to the another episode of Belief Way. In this episode, we're gonna see does what really helps our skin look healthier and prettier. So let's find out. So we all know that our skin is one mighty organ. Not only it is our largest organ system, but it also protects us from the bad actors like pollutants, toxics and germs. Our skin is also helps to regulate our body temperature, helps to prevent dehydration and also protect us from temperature extremes. But our skin is also what we present to the world. Sure, there probably are too many of us who would say no to healthier and younger skin. Unfortunately, there are a lot of myths about how we can get rid of those fine lines, wrinkles, crossfeeds, and dark spots that set up shop on our face or the other parts of our body. One myth just won't die is that drinking lot of water improves your skin by banishing wrinkles and making pores smaller among other anti-aging pulses. Experts don't bite another you should. Everyone wants a quick fix when it comes to making skin look better, but drinking more water isn't help you to get rid of wrinkles or plump up your skin unless you are extremely dehydrated. But you need water to stay healthy. If you're healthy, your skin might look beautiful. Do you know that our skin is made up of three layers? The subcutaneous fat layer makes the bottom layer, the middle layer is called dermis, and the top layer is epidermis. The outermost layer of epidermis is called stratum corneum. This important membrane keeps the bad thing from entering the body. It also plays an important role in making sure that too much water doesn't leave our body. In other words, it helps keep skin hydrated by preventing water evaporation. This layer does more than act as a barrier. The cell in the membranes can also absorb water, but that doesn't mean you can lie in a pool of water and absorb it or drink it and have a anti-aging success. But proper hydration can help skin's overall tone. If you are dehydrated, the outermost layer won't contain enough water and skin won't spring back if you push on. If you rehydrate, your skin bounce back. There aren't a lot of studies which shows anti-aging benefits from water, but there are small studies in which researchers looked at how water intake affected our skin. More specifically, they tested what type of water, mineral or ordinary water, the best result. They found that drinking 2.25 liters of water daily of mineral or ordinary tap water for 4 weeks did have some effect, but results were mixed. People who had routinely drink little before the start of studies did see an increase in skin thickness. As you age, your skin loses density because of collagen and elastin breakdown, and you wind up with some sagging fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, you can't retain moisture that well. The doctors do agree that water is important for good health, but minimizing wrinkles and perking up your skin really comes down to moisturizing and an overall healthy lifestyle. Drink your water, limit alcohol, don't smoke, moisturize, wear sunscreen and improve your nutrition. I have personally seen some absolutely remarkable improvements in skin when people start eating more fruits and vegetables, and also whole grains, healthy fats with lean proteins. The takeaway is pretty clear. Drink your water because it is important to your good health. Just don't expect to get rid of those fine lines and wrinkles. So now you know the truth that does water really makes your skin healthier or not. And you found that the main key point is you must keep your skin hydrated. And how you can hydrate your skin, you know, just rely on the water for true hydration. So I know the best ways. If you want to know that, click on this video and you will onto it. Till then, take care, goodbye.